Now that we've introduced you to Dropbox, let's look a little more in depth at some of the most commonly used features. Once you've actually installed the program on your computer, what most people want to do, of course, is share their files. How do you share files with other people? There are a couple ways to do this. The first way is logging in directly to the Dropbox website. Log into your account and then locate the folder that you want to share. Move your mouse over the folder and then click on the triangle that appears when the folder is highlighted. Choose Share this folder from the drop-down menu, and you can see that has happened here in the example. Another way to share files is using the Dropbox desktop application that's loaded on your computer. All you have to do is open up the Dropbox folder that's created on your computer within My Documents. You right-click on the folder you want to share, and it displays this drop-down menu. Select Drop-down and share this folder. This will send you to the sharing page on the Dropbox website. From there, simply enter the email addresses of whomever you want to share your files with, and you can add a personal message if you'd like. Once you've shared folders, how do you add files to your Dropbox? When you install the Dropbox desktop application, it creates a new folder on your computer. It works like any other folder on your hard drive, except everything in your Dropbox folder automatically syncs to the web and any other computer which Dropbox is installed. From there, it's easy. Just move your files into your Dropbox by dragging and dropping them onto your Dropbox folder. That's all. The files you dropped will automatically be backed up online and synced to the other computers. You don't have to do anything. You can even save your files directly to your Dropbox folder from any application. One way that makes Dropbox more convenient than a network drive is files stay in your Dropbox folder on your computer hard drive, so you'll always have access to your files even if you are offline. Dropbox works in the background and will automatically sync any new changes the next time you go online. In an era of privacy concerns, how secure is Dropbox? Your files are actually safer while stored on Dropbox than on your computer in some cases. We use the same security methods as banks and the military. Dropbox takes the security of your files and our software very seriously. We use the best tools and engineering practices available to build our software, and we have the smartest people making sure that Dropbox remains secure. Your files are backed up, stored securely, and password protected. Other Dropbox users can't see your private files in Dropbox unless you deliberately invite them or put them in your public folder. Everything in your public folder is by definition accessible to everyone. Even Dropbox employees are prohibited from viewing the contents of your files you store on your Dropbox account and are only permitted to view the files metadata. Like most online services, they have a small number of employees who must be able to access user data for reasons stated in their public policy when legally required to do so. But that's a rare exception, not the rule. Once in a while, of course, we all make mistakes or change our mind. So how do you undelete files or recover old version of files? Dropbox keeps snapshots of every changes saved in your Dropbox folders over the last 30 days. So if you accidentally press the delete key and erased memories or simply saved a bad change, you can restore the files with a few clicks. On Windows computers, you can find a list of previous revisions by right-clicking the file from your desktop. Hover your mouse over the Dropbox submenu and select View Previous Versions. Clicking on View Previous Versions will take you to the Dropbox website to view old revisions. From there, you can follow the website instructions to recover an old version or even undelete a file removed by accident. With more and more people using smartphones, can you access Dropbox on your mobile device? The answer is yes. You can access your Dropbox anywhere by downloading the Dropbox app to your mobile phone or device. Available Dropbox apps include iPhone, iPad, Android, and BlackBerry. All of these apps are free and integrate with your mobile phone's device software. From there, you can access your entire Dropbox on the go, browse and view files directly from your Dropbox, or use third-party apps to open and edit files. You can also take photos and videos using your device's built-in camera and save them directly to your Dropbox. You can share your files via links. Send them to your friends using email, text messaging, or copy and paste the link into any application. Dropbox, of course, offers many more features, but these are the basic features that a distant student will most likely want to know and use with their collaboration with their fellow students.